proud bastards. Get down! Those damn crowds are everywhere. Historically correct. Alright, so behind me, we can see the place where the battle is going to take place. So obviously, is it snowing?
It seemed like it for a second.
It's basically snow falling from the trees, so technically it's snowing. So as you can see, this is where the battle is going to take place. Germans versus US troops, obviously. Really excited for the battle. Hopefully nobody actually dies. That would be a little bit unfortunate. Yeah, probably. But yeah, it seems like a pretty good place to have a battle. I don't know what these things are. Are these are foxholes actually? Yeah. They're perfectly lined up.
That's beautiful.
But yeah, that is pretty. As you can see, it's still frozen. The water is still frozen right here.
And there's a bridge over there.
And there's a little bridge. That's pretty cool. So I think it's going to be a pretty awesome battle. I see a lot of vehicles as well. You can see over there. It's a bunch of vehicles. So
that's going to be pretty cool.
I saw a German armored vehicle as well. So I'm really curious about that. It's kind of going to be a problem, I think, for the U.S. troops. See, that's what I mean. As you can hear in the background, they're shooting. And I think one of their bullets might have hit my thumb. I'm always wounded for some reason. I don't know why. I don't even know why. As you can see, it's a beautiful view behind me. It is really cool. And it's really cold as well. You can feel your toes. Well, actually, you cannot feel your toes. The battle is about to begin, so really excited. Don't know what's going to happen. We're going to lose, that's what I know. We'll see. Hey, am I choosing this one? I don't know. Oh, this is crap. Well, it's okay. It's cozy though. It's not cozy. I can tell you that. No, it's okay. It's good. Perfect. We have a nice view on the hill. And what we know now is that the briefing is going to be in half an hour. So we're going to be sitting here for half an hour in the freezing cold because, as you can see, the ground is just frozen.
And the water as well.
And the water is wet. Yeah, it's frozen. Yeah, it's frozen. It's ice. But yeah, the Germans are going to come from there, and they're going to push us back. That's what I know. You can see the public is on the left, behind me, right there. So that's where the spectators are, and it looks pretty good. I like the environment. I like the view. I like the sounds, the echo of the rifles. I heard an MG42. It was a brrr, and the echo it's amazing. What is going on? Well, that's actually pretty cool because, as you can see, this is what we're gonna do during the battle to simulate like explosions in the air, and that is really cool for the spectators. As long as you don't see this man standing with a stick.
Which we do, actually.
Which we do right now, but the spectators won't. Alright, so we just had the briefing. We have like 20 minutes before the battle is going to start. The Germans are going to come from that side. They will attack us. We are 3rd platoon. There are so much soldiers. We have 3 platoons. We have a 1st platoon, 2nd, and 3rd. We're 3rd, and we have to listen to our NCOs, obviously. So we are sitting in our foxholes. Germans are going to attack us. They're going to shoot like hell, as they said. We're going to fall back, and people will die as well. So I will probably die. So that's how it's going to go within like 20 minutes. So what we're going to do now is wait until the Germans attack. I guess it's a couple minutes before the battle starts, and there's a lot of spectators. Really cool. But yeah, that's why I do it. You do it for the public. Hi.
Il faut appuyer un guide. Tantôt t'as fait le même truc. Appuie. I'm never shit down. I never do this. I'm an officer.
Nee.
You died.
I cannot feel my hands anymore. I cannot feel my toes anymore. I cannot feel my nose anymore. The Germans won. Yeah, my finger. Look at my hands. They're laying in the cold, frozen grass.
Okay, thank you guys.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, what time? Can't say for the moment. I think the same hour.
Around the same hour.
13. Yes.
Battle is here. So we become the second platoon. All right?
Yes, sir.
And the bridges. Okay, thank you guys. Well done. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Right. Face. Good. Right. Face. Forward. Forward. Left. Left. Guiding left. Left, right, left, left.
Caporaltiste!
Ready! Front! Beret! Rest! At ease! Attend! Huh! Alright, thank you guys for marching with us and battling with us. For now, enjoy your time. To your duties! Fall out!
Guys, I have a wound. Again, and they're just driving by.
Only a third time. Only a third time.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I cannot feel my fingers anymore, so I didn't even notice, but I'm wounded again. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we are going to make coffee in the authentic way. So what we have is a authentic captured German burner. It's the same one as they used in the Second World War. Very handy thing. And we're going to use S-bit blocks. They used these back in the day as well, and they still use them in the modern army, even though this stuff is really, really bad for you. So don't breathe it in. It smells like fish. It's absolutely horrible stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our fuel bottle. It's Belgian police sirens in the background. And we have our cup. As you can see, I've been using this many times before. There we go. Yeah. I didn't do anything. Water, a little bit dirty, so what we do is just this, and there we go. That's all we have to do. I'm gonna make 2 cups of coffee for myself and for my friend who's now filming. I think this might be enough.
Yes, I think so as well.
There we go. So now we're gonna use our matches. These are actually old matches. And they smell so nice. Let me just hold it like that. There we go.
Sulfur.
Now we're gonna burn this block of S-bit. Look, it is burning right now.
Is it?
It is, yeah. There we go. Actually went well without myself. Yeah. Now we're just gonna put this. Be sure that this is straight.
We haven't
Which is
burned ourselves yet.
Not yet. That's okay, as long as no one is gonna mess it up. That's fine. I'm gonna put these back in my pocket. Here we go. For a coffee creamer, I just have a little glass jar with some creamer inside, which is nice. And I have my sugar cubes inside here. There we go. I have my mist tin, and inside there I have Domino sugar cubes, homemade rations. So I think we use 2 for us. And normally I use these little bags, but I'm gonna make for 2 people right now, so I actually have a little jar with soluble coffee as well. So it's just easier to use that right now in this case. I'm gonna grab that really quick while this is warming up. So as you can see, it's already slowly getting hot. You can see the steam a little bit, but we're gonna wait until we can see the little bubbles. Here we have my soluble coffee, and now we're just gonna wait until it's hot enough so we can add the sugar, coffee creamer, and the coffee itself, obviously. So just wait and don't die. All right, so as you can see, it's boiling actually.
Yeah,
So that's nice and warm. So what I'm gonna do is add some soluble coffee. Here we go. It's really strong, but I think we can do like 2 spoons because we can use some strong coffee in here. I think that's strong enough.
Damn.
Smells nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not really smart because now I cannot put this one back. I should have used another spoon to do that, but who really cares? Just gonna do this now. So right now, I'm gonna grab it. With the aluminum ones, you have to watch out because this is steel, but if it's aluminum, the heat travels and goes there and you can burn yourself really easy.
Really?
So, yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so be careful. There we go. Let's see how much more.
Oh, fantastic.
I think that's about the same.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same.
All right. So we have 2, and I don't know how much milk you want. Is that enough?
Yeah, it's good. It's
Okay.
good.
We'll do a little bit here as well. I think that's good.
Yeah, thank you.
Obviously, we have our sugar as well.
Yeah.
Here you go.
You can hear bagpipes in the background.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
How much do you want? 1 or 2?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
1?
Yeah, it's gonna
Okay.
be fine.
Okay, let's.
Thank you, man.
I'm gonna do 1 then too.
Good.
And this is just paper, so
It dissolves.
yeah, it dissolves.
Fantastic.
Put it over there. So that's good. Now all we have to do is stir a little bit,
Yes.
which we can use this one for because we already used it. So
Oh, fantastic.
yeah. secure it all the way so everything is nice and mixed.
Yes.
I think that's
Thank
good.
you, man.
You're welcome. Well,
Cheers.
cheers.
So, do you approve my coffee?
I for real needed that much.
Yeah. That's $5.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is good stuff. Really, really good, especially after a battle like that. Oh my god, it's saying no battery at all. I have a power bank with me, but yeah, and I have one more battery, but it's already empty, and I don't even know how late it is. Damn, during the battle, my toes, I couldn't feel my toes anymore and my fingers, but it was so goddamn cold. Can you imagine? These guys sitting here during the war, sitting in their foxholes, But this really helps, that's for sure. I cannot stand sounds like that. Do that one more time and I will get my bayonet.